Hi everyone! Here's another must-watch video as we give you a review of our first B&B experience in Osaka, Japan. This property uses self-check-in, so kahit gabi, madaling araw ka na dumating from your flight, okay lang. They also have this air purifier or humidifier. I'd like to show you ang aming neighborhood. So this is our balcony. Under siya ng Midosuji line, which I think is the best line. There are always a lot of considerations when booking your vacation abroad, most especially hindi naman tayo familiar sa mga lugar. So unang-una dyan syempre is yung location, and kung malapit ba yun sa mga train stations, maraming kainan and all. Tapos pangalawa, yung mismong pag-i-stayan mo na place, kung okay ba yung unit, kung maganda ba, maayos or malinis. And of course, last but not the least is yung price. So, okay ba siya sa presyo niya? One consideration for this property is maraming kainan like, ayan, McDonald's, and then there's also this 7-Eleven convenience store. And marami ring ibang kainan dito tabi-tabi, most especially kahit gabi, open din. And of course, as you can see, kahilera na ng McDonald's is yung train station. And we are talking about Arlie's house here in Shin Osaka, Kita. We booked via Agoda for an 8 days, 7 nights stay here in Japan. And it's for 4 packs, 4 adults actually. And guess what? Kung magkano yung price nila, it's only 21,000 for the entire stay. As compared sa hotel, kung magsastay kayo for 4 packs, siguro nasa 50,000 pataas. This property uses self-check-in. So kahit gabi, madaling araw ka na dumating from your flight, okay lang since wala naman din talagang attendant na mag-a-attend sa'yo. Just make sure that you know all the procedures para makapag-check-in ka ng maayos. Okay, so this is the room. So may lalagyan ng shelves ng mga sapatos. And of course, merong washing machine. May hot and cold water. And syempre, ang pinakasikat na may heated na toilet bowl. A lot of toiletries available. Meron ding plancha, merong blow dry. And of course, if we're gonna check the shower area, meron ding mga available na shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang bumili. And the shower is also heated, so wala nang problema sa lamig. And ito yung buong unit. Malaki siya, malinis, and kompleto yung mga gamit. So, meron ding lutuan, and then may mga shelves din na pwede mo paglagyan ng food. There's microwave, kettle, and ref para mailagay mo yung mga pagkain na pwede mong store since kami is parang more than a week ang stay namin dito. The room is very neat. May mga extra pillows and blankets pa. And they also have this air purifier or humidifier. Good morning. So, it's our second day here. And we'd like to show you ang aming neighborhood. So, this is our balcony. And this is our neighborhood. More on parang mga building type din talaga. Pero may mga locals. Actually, marami. More on ang nakatira mga matatanda na. So, sobrang ganda ng lugar, peace and quiet, and parang feeling mo talaga nakatira ka, you belong. Sobrang ganda nitong area na to na parang gusto mo na mag-migrate sa Japan. As in, sobrang peaceful and quiet ng neighborhood. Mga dumadaan na ka-bike, tapos ang lamig, ang ganda ng panahon. Parang mapi-feel mo na parang makapag-apply nga papuntang Japan permanently. Dito sa Japan, halos lahat lang talaga ng mga tao ay laging nagbabike. Pero actually, kahit saan, pumunta ka sa trabaho, pumunta ka sa grocery, pumunta ka kung saan man, lahat lagi nakabike lang. Kasi merong special lane or dedicated lane for bike users. Dito sa left side na to, sa kanto, dyan sa may isang kanto pa na yan, may family mart din. So, pwede mong lakarin. And sa baba nitong property, may vending machine din. So let's take a quick look at the entire unit. So medyo kumakain na kami dahil breakfast na and maya-maya lang aalis kami. Please excuse the kalat since kakarating lang namin ng around 12 or 1 a.m. Kaya sobrang magulo na agad kahit na one day pa lang. And of course, nakapaglaba rin kami. Because merong washing machine and meron na rin available na liquid detergent. So, why not na maglaba tayo? So, natuyo naman lahat ng damit, actually. And maganda kasi yung kanilang liquid detergent dito. And bumili pa nga ako since I wanna try it at home. So, let's go out today and i-check natin kung ano yung mga establishments na malapit dito sa property na to. And by the way guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Walking distance lang ang mga kainan dito like McDonald's, ayan. And then there's also 7-Eleven plus you will see the train station, nandiyan na rin. Ang train station pala na intended dito sa lugar na to is Higashi Mikuni Station. Under siya ng Midosuji Line, which I think is the best line kasi nandun yung Namba Station, and then Umeda, Shinsaibashi, and Nagai. And that's it guys. This property is highly recommended. Thanks for watching!